Hey guys, welcome to my at-home DIY nail manicure tutorial. First of all, you're going to need a few items. If you don't have everything, it is okay. But you're going to need a small bowl of water with either body wash or a very mild dish detergent. You're going to need nail cream, which it doesn't have to be nail cream. This is just regular Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. You can use just a moisturizing lotion is fine. You're going to need your nail base, a nail color, and a nail dry. And instant dry is the best. Also, you're going to need a nail file and something to push your cuticles back. And then you're going to need a nail clip. You don't have to have one of these, but if you want to have a little manicure set brush with also the heavy file on here, that will be fine. Also, you need a towel for drying your hands. So let's get started. First off, you're going to start off with dry nails, of course. I already have my polish removed. What I'm going to do is clean under my nails, and that's what you can use this stick for, to clean your nails really good. After you clean your nails, what you want to do is then clip your nails. This is a rounded shape clip. There are straight clips, but whatever you use, just go ahead and clip your nails down to the length that you would like them. And then you can finish up shaping by using the emery board, the fingernail file. You do not want to file them this way, like sanding them down, because that will make jagged edges. What you want to do is do it one way, and that way it will not tear up your nails. That cuts down on the jaggedness. Once you get your nails to your desired shape, you want to go ahead and clip any skin or any jagged edges around your cuticles. You want to clip them. I don't have any, but you want to clip them at this time. After you clip any dead skin or any skin sticking up, you want to then push your cuticles back and bring any dead skin or anything that has fallen or that's stuck up under your nails. You want to get that from under there and bring that forward. So after you've taken care of your cuticles, go ahead and soak your nails for about 2 minutes to get them all cleaned and everything. After you have gotten them cleaned, what you want to do is go ahead and rinse them and then dry them off. And then, of course, after drying your hands, you want to go ahead and moisturize your nail bed and around your nails. And you want to do it like so. And just moisturize your skin around your nails. Proceed to the next one. Now we're all set to get our nails done. We didn't need this. You may need it. I didn't need it because my cuticles weren't bad and didn't have a lot of dead skin or anything. So we're going to set this aside. First of all, we're going to go ahead and use our base coat. And it says base coat right there. And it says high shine, but it's not, a nail polish. This is a base coat. So what you want to do is shake it up first. And then go ahead and apply to your nails. And this usually dries really fast. So we want to get that base coat on there so that your nail polish will not stain your nails and keep them all icky looking. You want a protective barrier between your nail polish, the colored nail polish, and your actual nail. I am right-handed, so sometimes working with your left hand actually takes a little longer to do your right hand because you have to steady it a little more. You want to get it all the way down to the skin also. You want to wait about 2 to 3 minutes before you apply your nail polish. Okay, I have this pretty salmon pink color, and we're going to go ahead and shake the bottle up because you want the color all distributed very nicely through the bottle. All right, and what you want to do, you do not want to put a lot on your brush. What you do want to do is put it in the center and not at the very edge, but you want to push down and pull out. Push down and pull out. And again, not a lot of polish. You want to then do the sides and don't get over the edges so it will not get on your skin. And then you have to tilt your finger like this. You might have to reapply some more polish. But you just want to, in even strokes, go along the side of your nails. Not super fast so that you don't get the color on your nails, but slowly. There is a process called capping that you want to make sure to do, and that is getting a little polish on the end of your nails. That way you're less likely to get chips and snags. So that's the first coat on the first nail, and you want to keep going. Any gaps and empty spaces you can fill in with the second coat, but you don't want to put too much nail polish on at one time. It'll get all gloopy and messy and won't dry properly. Reshake the bottle, and you want to do the first coat on the second hand. Remember to take more time with the hand that you don't use a lot so you won't get nail polish, won't get it all messy on your skin. If you get a little bit that pulls, kind of pulls up, not pull, but pull, P-O-O-L, pulls up, you just want to take the little nail stick and carefully remove the excess. First coat on both hands are done. Now it's time for the second coat. You want to go ahead and shake up the bottle. And you can use a slightly different technique than your first coat, because your first coat you were getting it down near the edges and everything. The second coat, you're just doubling the polish to make it more opaque, thicker, and stronger. And you can quickly do the second coat. Both hands are coated with 2 coats of nail polish. I'm going to let them sit and dry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to put the Insta Dry on from Sally Hansen. This is the Insta Dry from Sally Hansen. You can use another brand. I've also used Seche Vite, which works wonderfully, and this works very fast and very well too. It's just about a couple dollars cheaper. So you don't want to put excess on with the nail dry either. So you're just going to sweep it over your nail polish. Being careful, but you don't have to be as careful as with the nail polish, the actual colored nail polish, because this is clear. But of course you don't want a mess anywhere. On to the next. 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 And here you have it. Both hands are done and they came out beautifully and neatly. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. And I will see you guys right back here on Tracie's Place next time. Bye!